Okay, so go check them out down that way, Patriot Academy. Thanks again.
This is John in Los Angeles. It's
We have a candidate for the 38th
January
Assembly
22nd.
District. His name is Brocato.
2022. This is another medical freedom rally out here in Santa Monica. You probably can't hear me very well.
Let's go! Oh my God! Look at all you beautiful people! Let's go!
Quite a nice turnout, though. Really
Smells
nice.
like freedom out here. This is absolutely incredible. I'm so proud and just absolutely honored to be here in front of you guys. So I'm a lifelong Californian. I am not a politician. I'm not trying to become a politician. I'm here to be your wartime statesman. We are in a war right now for the state of California, and it's a moral war. And generations before us, we've lost it. I was born with fewer freedoms in this state than my parents were. My children were born with fewer freedoms than me. My wife, my beautiful wife Stephanie, is right here. We've got a little girl on the way. Her due date's the 4th of July. Sadly, she'll be born with fewer freedoms than her big brother that's standing right there. And that just cannot happen anymore. We're done. I got involved because my line had been crossed. And when my line gets crossed, I'm there, I'm in the fight. My line doesn't slide back. And I know your guys' line doesn't slide back, so I'm here speaking to the chorus, right? But we need to get everybody else to stand and to stand for their line. We can't be apathetic, like they said, anymore. It's time to start paying attention to our politics here in California. And it starts in the assembly. Our assembly is corrupt. Right now, AB 1400 is going to double the taxes of every single person here for bad health care. For health care that anybody that would need it already has it, and anybody that can pay for it already has their own insurance. So why do we need this? It'll cost $365 billion to fund. That's almost double the California budget. It is the type of bill that breaks California and never comes back. It's the sort of thing that you want people that stand for freedom, people that stand for family, people that stand for God, and that have a moral compass that will fight for families and say no, unequivocally no and no more. That's what I'm here to do. I'm a construction worker, I'm a hockey player. I can't believe that I'd ever be up here speaking to all you beautiful people, but when I say that I'm going to fight for the rights of Californians, like I said, I'm a hockey player. I mean it a little different than the people who came up before me. Look at that beautiful ocean. Look at our beautiful state. We are too important to give up. There was a time where California was the freest place that you could possibly be. People escaped other places to come to Los Angeles for freedom, to express themselves. Now we're masked and we're silenced.
Sick.
No one in this government ever had the right to take away not one of your freedoms. It is the purpose of government to maintain your freedoms. It is their job to protect your freedoms. They do not co-parent with me over my children. We will be knocking down SB 866, which says that teenagers can make medical decisions without the consent of their parents, but you as adults here do not have the right to those same medical freedoms for yourselves. How does that work? I'm not an exceptional person. That's not why I came here to run for office. I'm just like you guys. We're just here. We're just people. We're Californians. And we've had enough. So I'm here because I care, because I'm not running. There is no running me. My line's here. We're moving forward. The ball goes that way. God bless every single one of you. Please, if you get a chance, go to my website. Remember the phrase, Just Vote Bro. Go to justvotebro.com. My name's Cole Brocato. I'm running for the 38th Assembly District. And right here, this is where we start to save California. God bless you guys.
Applause, guys. And that's what it takes, really. We all have our own gifts. We all have our own talents. For him, it's running for office.